What up, guys? You know, it's Marty. Anyway, guys, today, guess what I got for all you out there? Well, guys, it's not a Maverick video or nothing. I'm actually in my old Danger Ranger. You see? The Ranger. So anyway, guys, I'm in the old Danger Ranger because, guys, my pops and my moms, they were driving, you know, on Highway 101, and they got, like, sideswiped by this big white truck and everything, destroyed their car and everything. So right now I'm at the post office. I'm gonna check my mail, and then I gotta get rid of my cans and bottles, and then I gotta head on over to Walmart and get some of those like plastic tubs, and I gotta clean out this truck so it's all ready to go for pops and everything, because you know, the dang people hit and ran them, guys. You know, it was a catastrophe, guys, right there on Highway 101, leaving Depot Bay and everything. So only thing that he says was some big white truck hit him, and the guy just kept on going. So big hit and run, guys. So if you see a white truck around these parts with blue paint on it, make sure you call the authorities, because you know, Pops' car has white paint on it, and they totaled it out, and now all he has to drive is this old runner and everything. So you know, this wanted to come at you and give you like a vlog style, because right now we're doing a vlog on this channel, because on this channel I like to put vehicle content and travel vlogs, or just like vlogs in general, you know, more of a personal touch compared to the main channel, you know, with Marty Kauffman. So anyway, guys, let's go check the mail, and I'll see all you when we get out. Burp. Alright guys, so nope, didn't get anything in the mail, you know, is what it is. But hey, if anyone ever wants to send me anything, P.O. Box 1221, Newport, Oregon 97365. So guys, to tell you more about Pops' situation and everything, you know, it's just a bad story and everything. He was traveling back from Walport, taking my mom's to the doctor and everything. And I guess if it happened a little bit further on, you know, he would have went straight into the ocean. Because, guys, if you ever travel on 101 around that area, you know, it's all curvy, right up against the ocean and everything. So, just not a good story at all. So, you know, I gotta get this all put together for him, you know, cleaned out, because, you know, hey, I want it all clean for him. And I just paid the insurance, so the insurance is good till September and everything. I got some full tank of gas, so you know, he'll be set, guys. He'll be set. So anyway, guys, see all you when we get out of the Oregon bottle drop, and we'll see how much money we got from our cans and bottles. Burp. Alright guys, so we just got out of the Oregon bottle drop, and guess what, guys, we got $35.15. That's right. Now, right now, it just started raining a bit, so that's not all that good, because you know, I only got one good windshield wiper on this rig and everything. So you know, but sometime this week I got an appointment to get the windshield wipers fixed fully for Pops and everything, so you know, he'd be driving in style and everything. So anyway, guys, now we're gonna go to Walmart, get one of those plastic tubs, see what else they got going on there, and yeah, so anyway, stay tuned for all of those adventures to be had. I guess. So we just got out of Walmart, you know, Wally World and everything. And guys, I got me this new t-shirt from 99 Apparel. It's like a veteran-owned and veteran-founded company, and it's really nice. Anyway, just thought I'd tell you that. The back of it says powered by gasoline and caffeine. So I was like, I'll pick that up. You know, one of those Instagram purchases. So anyway, we got the tub, you know, big tub and everything. And then I got Sharpies, you know, so I can write on it, you know, like truck stuff and everything. And then, guys, I usually don't buy this because I think it's way too expensive, and you know, it's just ridiculously priced. But you know, I just got my tax return back, you know, from the federal and the state. So you know what we got, guys? Chili cheese Fritos. So these things right here, guys, in my opinion, way too expensive. They are $5, and I think that's way too much to pay for chili cheese Fritos. So it's $5. So, you know, but hey, I just got my tax return back. You know, I gotta get a hold of my buddy Brantley because I'm going to that Blade show in Atlanta in June, I think it's in June, and I wanted to wait till I got my tax return money and everything, so I could like pay for everything when I had the money and everything, because I don't want to just put everything on a credit card and just be like la-di-da and everything. No, you gotta be financially responsible, guys. Once you get the money in, then the money can go out, but always be financially responsible. Pay off your credit cards if you have them and everything. So anyway, guys, gotta get a hold of him about that and everything, because should be a really good time. I'm thinking so guys, listen to this. There's a NASCAR race on like the 1st of June, I think, or anyway, there's a NASCAR race at Sunday, and it's like the Nashville NASCAR race, but I believe it's in like Lebanon, Tennessee. And then Blade shows like the following week, so I could end up having like a whole series of Marty's Southern Adventures. So that would be interesting. Maybe I could even find a sponsor for that whole thing. Marty's Southern Adventures, because if you're going to the South, you gotta go to a NASCAR race, especially if you're gonna be there at the same time and everything. At least I would think so. Gotta go back to that Buc-ee's. Hey, if you've ever been to a Buc-ee's gas station, boy, they're great. I've never tried Crystals. Fast food and everything, so gotta try Crystals. And also, love me that Waffle House. I tell you what, man, that Waffle House, man, there needs to be a Waffle House around here. Also, I've never been to that Cracker Barrel. I've never been to a Cracker Barrel, so anyway, it'll be some good times had this June. Stay tuned for all that. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this little vlog this week, because like I've been saying, I want to be putting at least 1 video to 2 videos every single week here on this channel, because it seems like it's been pretty well. Mostly it's just been Maverick content, but we'll put in some vlogs here and there once in a while. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Keep spending a good vibes. Maybe I'll come back to you next week and see how Pops is doing with the old Danger Ranger, because this is what we got going on and everything. Gotta get rid of all that stuff that I got on there, all that stuff. So yeah, guys, like I said, keep spreading the good vibes only. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all you in the next one. Marty out.